Hey guys, it's Steph with Steph's Adventures and Fab Finds. I've been enjoying the handbags that I've ordered. I am looking at the new Kasama collection and that's dropped. I'm definitely in love with my Felice Bichette sail away or nautical theme, excuse me. Bag, which is the last bag I unboxed. And today I have an unboxing on a Louis Vuitton card holder that I had purchased about a month ago or better, and have just recently got around to doing this one. Let's see. So this is the beautiful box from Louis Vuitton, and lovely gift bag from Louis, and it says I'm interested to see what Perel has to come out with. Louis Vuitton is just pop, 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 out with it, out with it, out with it. Chanel, Yves Saint Laurent, but they're pretty basic and classic. They stayed pretty classic, you know, and with their things more, I think, so than any of the other designers. Fendi came out with the mini, with the Peekaboo mini. I might be interested in that one, but I'm just keeping my options open and letting it stack up meantime. So this is our paperwork. And your paperwork will include your receipt. Let's see what's in it. And gift receipt, a return label, exchange and returns, and thank you for shopping Louis Vuitton. Your product has been crafted by experienced artisans with exclusive materials, and then packed with the utmost care, following strict sanitary guidelines. Please prevent any contact with all alcohol-based substances such as cosmetics, perfumes, hand sanitizer, or disinfectant, as they can damage the leather and canvas products. Find out complete care instructions out us at louisvuitton.com/ing-us/products-care. Okay. So that's what's in the gift pack. And there's your carry booklet. Oh no, this is a little note I've written to myself. Oh, how lovely. Love always and forever, LV. So, let's get to the card holder. So, beautiful packaging. Little gift card, which is just blank envelope card. Those are always nifty. drawer. Now, I believe this is the envelope card holder. And I am definitely about this style of card holder. And I have a bunch of canvas, God knows, that I can wear this with. It is cowhide leather lined in a, I'd say a cognac tan color. It has Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. These are our stickers. It is just basically says the exterior is canvas and the interior is leather. And here's your product code, and yes, it is the envelope card holder. And here's the, take a look better. And it has a button closure that does not have any hardware on the exterior, which you know I love that. Nothing to get scratched up. You got 2 pockets here, a pocket here, and then a big pocket on the inside. An excellent all-around leather card holder, leather canvas card holder. And it is one piece of canvas, wraps all the way around. Beautifully cut and stitched. So, yay, yay, and I highly recommend this. This is a piece that you will definitely use. And thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I do an unboxing from time to time. I do a lot of gaming, and that's how I can afford my luxury. I hope these unboxings are helpful and educational to you. If you have any questions or would like to make any comments, please share them in the comment section below. I'm always up to meeting new friends and talking about Louis Vuitton, other designers, and handbags in general, and luxury goods. And if you have any gaming questions, I do have a few gaming videos. Feel free to ask those too. But wherever you are in the world, I hope that peace and love finds you. I hope that you have all that you ever dreamed of. Please hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified when I do one of these unboxings or go on an adventure. And see you on the next one. Bye.